CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock predictions for tomorrow and onward. Well, is it a buy or not? Watch this 2-minute video till the end to find out. Over the last 5.5 years, I've documented 48,000 trades and market analysis on this channel. And with all this data, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Specifically with Circle Internet Group, all I've been waiting for is just sort of proper price action so I can actually be traded. I mean, I like the bullishness here. That's why I'm willing to ride the wave. But I'm only really willing to ride the wave here, at least to these tops here at 140 bucks. If there is a proper shift and it actually the price, I just want to see the price actually show me that there is enough demand behind the moves. This will be more than a valid double break as long as we start breaking above, like, you know, first above 113.50 then beyond. But dude, like randomly buying here, ain't no way that's gonna be happening, dude. Like, I mean, I do have quite a few, I think, receipts in the Discord. I have 56. That's a lot. A bunch. But yeah, I'm just waiting for rules. Unless rules are met, there's no way I'm buying this market. I mean, even just validating it from a high time from chart. Seems like the cycle might be making another major flush. If there's not enough demand, by the way candles are going to behave for a couple of days, there's me not trading this, you know, I'm not going to touch it. So if you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years that's working for me, click the first link in the description. It's free.